Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you step by step how to make a classic kabsa, the famous spiced rice and chicken from Saudi Arabia. It's not as hard as you think. I promise, the flavors are totally worth it. First up, let's grab the ingredients. 1 whole chicken cut into pieces, 2 cups of basmati rice, 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 carrot, a handful of raisins, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, kabsa spice mix, cinnamon stick, cardamom pods, cloves, bay leaves, 4 cups of chicken broth, a bit of oil, salt, pepper. Alright, let's get cooking. Heat a splash of oil in a large pot on medium-high. Drop in your onions, sliced thin. Cook them until they're golden and smelling amazing. Now, toss in the garlic, cinnamon stick, cardamom pods, cloves, bay leaves. Give it a good stir until the spices release their aroma. Next, add the chicken pieces. Sprinkle in some salt and pepper. Brown them on all sides. Don't rush this step. Once the chicken is nicely browned, add your chopped tomatoes. Add the tomato paste. Cook it down until the tomatoes are soft and everything's mixed together. Carrot time. Grate or finely chop your carrot and add it to the pot. Stir for a minute or two, then add in the kabsa spice mix, about 2 big teaspoons. Mix everything well so the chicken is coated with all those spices. Pour in the chicken broth. Make sure it covers the chicken. Bring it up to a gentle boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer. I usually cover and let it go for about 25 minutes so the chicken gets super tender. Now, let's get the rice ready. Rinse your basmati rice until the water runs clear. After 25 minutes, add the rice. Add the raisins. Stir gently, making sure everything's spread out. Put the lid back on. Let it cook on low until the rice is fluffy and has soaked up all the flavors, about 20 minutes. If you like a crusty bottom, let it go a little longer. That's it. Fluff up the rice. Serve your kabsa on a big platter. Garnish with almonds. Garnish with parsley. If you enjoyed this step-by-step kabsa recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching and see you next time.